following message has been transmitted at the request of the Providence Police Department. Residents in Providence, remain alert at all times. There have been many reports of people getting vivid hallucinations after they've looked at a mirror for more than 2 minutes. It isn't known what is causing this, but all residents are strongly advised to not look at any reflective objects for more than 2 minutes. If you or anyone else in your home gets these hallucinations, get to the nearest hospital and do not interfere with the person getting the hallucinations. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this unusual situation.